Starting a side hustle is a terrific way to make some additional money, in addition to your regular job. However, if you've ever searched for side hustle ideas in a search engine, you may have come across a slew of articles promoting scammy survey sites that take a long time to complete and pay only pennies. Not to worry, in this video, we'll introduce you to several completely legitimate side hustle ideas that you can use to actually generate money. So, if you want to know what the best side hustles from home are, then stay with us till the end to find out. Hello, and welcome back to Reign Supreme, a channel to impact influential, powerful minds. So, what is a side hustle? In the broadest sense, a side hustle is any activity that you engage in outside of the day job that helps you earn additional money. To be precise, this is a side hustle or part-time employment for an app like Airbnb, Uber, TaskRabbit, or Rover. However, not all side hustles are made equal. Part-time work may be advantageous in the off-season, but in the slower months, fewer hours equal fewer dollars. While applications like Uber might help you earn a few extra dollars when you need them, the payment mechanisms used by these services are often set up to pay as little as possible to the people delivering the service. The best thing about side hustles is that they can help you pay off debt, save money for a big purchase, retire, or even make you less stressed about finances. If you're looking for a side hustle that's both flexible and lucrative, look no further than these suggestions. Generally, people like side hustles that have the potential to grow into full-fledged businesses. But that isn't the case for everyone. If you're a creative individual, then here are a few ideas to get your creative juices going when looking to make some extra money on the side. Number 7. Amazon FBA. Many of the products on Amazon are not offered directly by the firm. In most cases, many items are offered by third-party merchants who pay Amazon a fee to display their goods. They can either send the items themselves when an order is placed, or they can pay an extra charge to have Amazon store their inventory, ship it, and even handle customer service and returns. This is called Amazon FBA and can be very profitable. As a result, if you've ever thought about starting an online business as a side job, big marketplaces like Amazon are a great place to start. There is a lot of competition, but Amazon also has a large following. For starters, you can increase your exposure by using Amazon advertisements. Well, how long does it take to start making money? Within a month or two of purchasing goods and selling your products on Amazon, you can start making money online. And how much can you make? Approximately 6 to 7 figures. On the list, this is one of the highest earning businesses due to the fact that it doesn't need a lot of work on your part and can grow rapidly. Number 6. Sell homemade products online. Are you a crafty person? If so, there are websites like Etsy that allow you to sell your own handmade crafts or antique wares. Online marketplaces like Etsy provide a place for people to sell their handmade items, and Etsy is one of such marketplaces. And if you're a fan of graphic design, Etsy also allows you to sell printable graphics, such as posters as well, all while making money upwards to $1,000 a month. Number 5. Web designing and development. Everyone needs a website for their company. Businesses that currently have a website will need to keep it up to date, optimized, or reworked at some point. It can be very expensive to hire in-house web developers and designers for a lot of these businesses. For this reason, many of them are now outsourcing web design and development. Even if you're not a web developer, this is good news. As a consequence of this trend, more and more web designers and web developers are working from home. There's a lot of money that can be made with web development and web design. It could make you up to $62,000 a year. As a result, most web design and development projects or employment are long-term in nature. Aside from being profitable, web development and design are flexible and can be done from home. All you need is a mid-range computer, a reliable internet connection, and some knowledge of web design. Number 4. Teach an online course. It's difficult to pick up a new trade, talent, or topic. It requires a significant amount of time and effort, as well as a sincere desire to learn more about the topic at hand. But chances are you already know a lot about a lot of things, particularly compared to the rest of us. Why not educate them? Teaching is one of the most gratifying careers you can pursue, and thanks to online platforms like Udemy and Coursera, it's becoming easier for experienced instructors to side hustle from anywhere on the globe and connect with eager learners. As a teacher, you are only limited by what you know and what you imagine when it comes to teaching online. Is your knowledge of Roman history extensive? That's something that definitely could be taught. Are you familiar with the field of graphic design? If so, share your expertise. For as long as there are individuals who are prepared to pay to learn from your expertise, and who can access the knowledge via a course, you can create a course on almost anything. Sky's the limit, and you can make anywhere from $500 to $50,000 or more teaching online courses. Number 3, start a podcast. There has been a steady increase in the number of people listening to podcasts over the last several years. For a long time, having a podcast was considered an absolute must for stand-up comedians. After that, it became necessary for authors and journalists alike to have access to one. Podcasting has now become a must-have for practically anybody trying to establish an online following for their brand and transform side work from home to a viable company. However, despite fears that podcasting would die off due to an overabundance of podcasts, new data suggests that demand for podcasts continues to grow. Besides social networking and blogging, podcasting has become an important part of the world of making online content. Additionally, podcasting is a very inexpensive medium. You can pick yourself a nice USB microphone for about $100. Several are available, particularly for podcasting, and recording software like Audacity is free and straightforward to use. Even if you spend a few $100s on an XLR microphone, mixer, or other gear to increase sound quality, your recordings will sound professional. As an estimate, if your podcast has about 10,000 downloads per episode, you can expect to make between $500 and $900 per episode. Number 2, copywriting. Are you familiar with what a copywriter does? Well, you have got to know that it's another high-paying side job you can do as well. A copywriter is someone who makes text that persuades and makes people want to do something. They're generally recruited in marketing, business industries, and are regarded as the harder sellers when it comes to creating calls to action. This is a good side hustle if you are an excellent writer and also very convincing or captivating when speaking with people. Your eloquent CTAs may earn you about $20 an hour, but a bachelor's degree in English or related profession can earn you $36 or more. Number 1, YouTube channel. Did you know that YouTube is the world's most popular website? So it's no wonder that the platform is lucrative. One of the best ways to make some additional money online is to start your own YouTube channel. So if you want to earn money on YouTube, you need a creative mind, as well as a basic understanding of how to edit videos. Why? Because every day the world watches 1 billion hours of YouTube videos. It has now become a powerful monetization tool for businesses and personal brands. You will also need to be pretty good at it if you want to make a substantial amount of money. First, you will need to create a channel. Next, your channel will need to meet the criteria of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized and start making money. After that, sky's the limit in terms of earning potential revenue on YouTube. You can make a lot of money from sponsorships, YouTube advertising, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own merchandise. Many channels are making millions. You too can make a hefty amount of money if you put in the time and effort to establish your channel and build your audience. So there you have it, a lengthy, savvy-approved rundown of the top side hustles. These ideas can help you get started in your search for additional money, whether it's a side hustle for passive income or one that requires you to put in some extra effort and scale to a full-on business. And it's easy to find activities to do after work that both calm you and earn you some extra income. Why not, right? Remember that the additional money can make a significant difference in your life and can even assist you in paying off debt. Make sure that you don't minimize your achievements because they aren't as big as others. Every step counts. If you're a stay-at-home mom, a college student, or anybody else looking to generate some extra cash, consider starting a side hustle. Do you think we left out one of your go-to side hustles? If so, tell us in the comments. And with that, today's video ends. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and press the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.